Guys, basically, the purpose of this guidebook is to help everybody save time. So we want to answer the frequently asked questions, and please understand everybody is different. Everybody has different levels of experience. I don't want to talk over your experience. I don't want to talk under your experience, because we're going to have a lot of speakers. Some are experts, world class speakers. Others are fairly new, and some are new to the new economy. So that's why we're laying it out in a very cool, I think, chapter by chapter basis, so you can pick and choose. If you need to know more about something, you can choose that chapter, or you can skip it. But what we want to do is we want to tell you a little bit about the national radio show too. Now, again, having been a longtime documentary director for NBC in New York, the way documentaries are produced, you take a lot, you go out, you report, you gather information, and then you take the sum total of all the information, and then you find the story within that to try and really tell the story. Well, the story we want to tell is of the new economy. So that's why we're going to be doing a lot of gathering of what I'd call field footage. And then from all of the information, we're going to take the most powerful stories, powerful voices, and from that we want to pull together the very best documentary that we can. There's going to be a lot of new people. We see this as a real mix of new people. People are new to the industry, veterans, and that's why we're inviting people to network with both their peers and mentors. And you can talk to the people who attend, who are professionals, small business owners, entrepreneurs, doctors, lawyers, consultants, you name it. And the new economy is affecting everybody. It's really the big tent umbrella that under which we all operate. So there's nobody that we don't want to reach out to and think that we can help. The documentary is going to air on about 100 and, let's say 100, because we have a total affiliate count of 175. We can guarantee 75 stations, but we think it's going to be quite a few more than that.